The main reason why I have to do this bathroom first is because this little brat loves this bathroom so much. Main reason why is because it's got the heater right there. So because the heater is right there, the floor gets really warm and she likes sleeping on it. And she keeps meowing at me to go in there.